What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick look at Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.030, down 2% on the day. See, market cap above 208 million. 54-hour volume is 54 million. So let's hop into the charts. We came right down to our wave 2 pullback zone. In yesterday's video, we were up here. And we had broken down from this rising wedge, and we're looking for a wave 2 pullback into our target zone, which is exactly what we've seen. Now we're looking for a reaction. We have a small double bottom, bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Of course, you can still come lower, and basically what you'd be looking at is like an A, B, C. But we'd have to bounce off 0.0289, or that wave 2 pullback becomes less likely. Of course, we can bounce from here. If we lose 0.0289, then there is obviously the opportunity of creating a lower low to complete that larger wave 5. But as I mentioned, the bottom could potentially be in, especially if we see a reaction from this zone. And so far, we have a nice double bottom with a bullish divergence on the 1 hour chart. On the 4 hour time frame, we're still consolidating within this wedge. So potentially what you want to see is a bounce off that support and break out of the wedge. And that could take the price all the way back up to about 0.0374 if we were to break down from this wedge here. That's potentially when you can come down and create that lower low and come down to about 0.024, 0.025. So just watch the support and resistance of that wedge, and that will determine Gala's next move. We once again got rejected by the 20 EMA. We failed to get back above it. So that is crucial for the bulls if we are going to see upside continuation, because as of right now, we're just consolidating within this wedge, and wedges can be continuation patterns. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at for Gala Games. Bounce from our wave 2 pullback zone. As I mentioned, if we break below 0.0289, that becomes less likely, but until then, we are looking for continuation to the upside. If we bounce from here, then I can give a wave 3 target based off a trend-based wave extension of the 1.618, which is currently coming in at 0.0361, 0.0360. All right, gang, currently we're in 3 trades, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Sand. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Up to 30,000 in bonuses on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses on Bybit. Check out my full-length tutorials. Make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes. And you can grab that 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, hodl, alt plays, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All links in the comments down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.